I have had discussion with Dr. Avadut Shivanand. Dr. Avadut Shivanand is the founder of Shiv Yoga. Ata, this is a new concept which is now being seen in Madhya Pradesh, in several places in Maharashtra, in Rajasthan, where they have something called AVS farming. This is basically a promotion of organic farming, using spirituality to push for organic farming. Now, पळोवपाक जे spirituality मानना तांकां हांसपाचेशें दिसता, पूण if you see the results, they are talking about celestial sounds which are increasing yield and decreasing cost of production, including protection from vermin. As vermin is a major issue for them. But this is what they are saying, and he is a double doctorate awarded even from Berkeley in the US. Government will want to work with Shiv Yoga Foundation. This is AVS. AVS म्हणून इतल्या खातीर हाडला आमी कित्याक तातूंत धर्म भितर घालपाचो ना. It is for every religion. If the yield is increasing, and everybody will take it. We will see to it. I am not agreeing with what the government is saying. See, we are voters. We have to think about voters. Our voters consume beef. So beef is part of their staple diet. Now, supply खंयच्यान येता, कोण करता, हें करता तें लोकांक पडून लोकांक जाय ती सप्लाय जर येना आनी स्टेपल डायटाचो सप्लाय जर जायना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता सरकार हॅज टू थिंक हाव इट इज गोइंग टू सप्लाय दॅट थिंग तें लिगल ना आनी तें हाडला तें इरेग्युलर कर्नाटकान इलेक्शन आहा दीज आर एक्सक्युजीस. I feel government has to take it seriously, and the beef supply should become regular. The people who have stopped it because they have been harassed. It's very clear, they are being harassed. See, the government intends to intervene to check the rising prices of coconut. आता हातून दोन भशेन आमी काल we have had an in-depth discussion because the director of agriculture was with me while going to Delhi. So we have had 2 to 4 hours to discuss on the flight. One thing by which we can intervene is to directly import coconut from Sri Lanka, where the price is marginally lower. This is one. हे सर्वसामान्याक पावतलो जाल्यार डिपार्टमेंटाच्या सायडीन जे डिपार्टमेंट नाल्ल प्रोड्यूस करता आमचे जे फार्मांनी जाता तो आमी हाडून हॉर्टिकल्चर हाजेर सबसिडायज विकतात. बट दॅट इज नॉट गुड इनफ बिकॉज इट इज नॉट टचिंग द एंटायर लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द स्टेट. एंटायर लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द स्टेट जर टच जातले जाल्यार वी वील हॅव टू गो फॉर इम्पोर्ट फ्रॉम Sri Lanka. Second, we will have to increase the support price and directly buy from the farmer.